my name is Lightning, and today I'm going to be unboxing this little blister pack I found for X and Y. It comes with a little coin and a promo card. I also have 2 other packs of Evolution. Yeah, 5 packs total. This is gonna be fun. Alright, here's the blister pack. We'll set it there for now. And then the 2 smaller packs. Now, if you've seen our previous video on the vlog, I do have a Kiwi Toe Funko Pop. I don't have an Asuna one yet. I'm working on it. So for now, it'll still be Mixa and Happy. Once I get Asuna, I'll have Kiwi Toe and Asuna in the video. That out of the way, let's get to opening these. And that, of course. Okay, here is all the packs and the promo card. I think it's a promo card. Yeah, it is a promo card. Well, first look at this. It's Black Hero. It's holographic. I wish it wasn't bent, though. Blister packs, why must you bend the promo cards? Slightly annoying. I have a... Oops. Come on. I have a Froggy coin. Now let's just open up these packs. The ones on top are the ones from the blister. And then the 2 on the bottom is from the other type of blister. Okay. You know what? I have no plan on using these, and I have no idea when I'm going to be giving them out. I do plan on giving these out. Maybe on my Twitter or, well, not my Twitter. It's mine and Aqua's Twitter. And then, so either on our Twitter or our Facebook. I haven't decided, but this one is free. So whoever gets that first, it's yours. Enjoy. We have a Rattata, a Leaf Grass Energy, Poliwag, Nidoran, Onyx, Nidorino, oops, the Switch Trainer card, Blastoise Spirit Link Trainer card, Reverse Drowsy, and a regular rare Dewgong. Wait, I forgot to do the card trick. Or almost forgot to do the card trick. Okay. We have Weedle, Machop, Pikachu, Magnemite, Ponyta, De-Evolution Spray, Nidorino, Revive, Rare Reverse Raichu, and a holographic Zapdos. Very nice. It's in better condition than the Kyurem. He was bent. Alright, let's see what the Raichu pack has. You know what? Here's another one. I'm gonna take one code at a time. If you already got the first code, let someone else have this one. And you know what? Here's the other code. Again, let it be a different person who gets this code. 3 different people. I want 3 different people getting those codes. If you got a code, leave it down in the comments if you took a code. So we have Sandshrew, Ghastly, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Full Heal, Porygon, Pidgeot, Spirit Link, Reverse Sandshrew, Regular Rare Electroid. Like I was saying, I always say on our Facebook and Twitter, either one, it will most likely be Facebook, though, because I can use it from my phone. Okay, real quick, here's this code, a 4th person, different from anyone else. Here's your code. I will give out all my other codes because I have like a stack load of codes that I don't use. So I'll be giving those out, most likely. So we have Caterpie, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Ghost Energy, a Potion, Maintenance, Poliwhirl, Reverse Porygon, and a holographic Gyarados for our rare. At least we got 2 holographics. Not counting the promo. The final pack, let's see what's in it. Here's the 5th code for the video. So 5th person, here's your code. We have Magikarp, Lightning Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Poliwhirl, Maintenance, Haunter, a Reverse Fairy Energy, and a regular rare Beedrill. And that has been an unboxing of the Pokemon X and Y Evolution packs. I've done one of these before. You can check it out there if you want. I have been Lightning, and until next time, I'll see you later. Our Facebook page is in the description below. So if you want a code, go to there and just wait. I'll randomly post pictures of these throughout this week. First person that gets them, gets it.